Today we're going to test a strategy that's just starting to gain traction on Pocket Option, and it might even outperform this month's top strategy. Personally, I think this combo of indicators is one of the best out there. I've actually used it before, traded with it over the winter, and while going through my old notes, I decided to give it another shot. If you enjoy this content, I'd really appreciate a like and a sub to my YouTube channel. Stick around till the end. I'll walk you through all the settings and exact entry points for this binary option strategy.
First, let's set up the tools to work with. I trade on the broker Pocket Option. In the description, I will leave a promo code for a bonus to the deposit. If you need it, take it. I choose classic candlesticks, time frame 2 minutes. Go to the Indicators tab and choose Fractal Chaos Bands and MACD. If you trade on your phone, set up the same way. Customize Fractal Chaos Bands. Go straight to the style. Make the background gray, make the upline turquoise color, line down is yellow color. Save. Adjust MACD. Signal period set to 5. Fast period 10. Slow period 15. Switch to style. Disable histogram. Make the MACD line turquoise color, width 2. Make the signal line yellow color, width 2. Save. Indicators are ready to work. Friend, if after watching the video you still have questions, be sure to write me in private messages in Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. The first situation. Expiry time is set at 3 minutes. I open a buy trade for $300. Now I will explain how this strategy works in real conditions. First, we look at the price behavior relative to the indicator Fractal Chaos Bands. Pay attention. The candles broke through the upper boundary of this channel. This moment can be regarded as the first important signal, indicating that the asset has temporarily reached the area of a possible reversal or correction. This is a kind of warning about a possible change in the direction of movement. Now, we turn our attention to the MACD. The situation here is interesting. The turquoise line crossed the yellow line from bottom to top. Such a crossing usually signals an increasing upward impulse and indicates that the bulls have started to strengthen. Combining both of these signals, we can conclude that the market is in the moment of decision-making. The first indicator warns of a possible correction, while the MACD demonstrates the awakening of the upward movement. Yes, my first trade is profitable. I made $276. Let's move on to the next situation.
You'd enjoy my 2 wrong using the link in the description and write to me, I want your signals. I will give you free access to a private chat that has my strategists, like signals, answers to many questions, and person communication with me. It's free, my friends, link only in the video description, so right now and then continue watching the video.
Got a signal. Expiration time is 3 minutes. I open a buy trade for $600. Both indicators used are confidently confirming the upward direction. The turquoise MACD line crossed the yellow one from bottom to top. This is a classic sign of a growing bullish impulse. At the same time, the candlesticks broke through the upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos Bands channel, which strengthens the signal and indicates the active development of the upward movement. It is important to remember, working on this strategy requires strict adherence to the main principle, to act only when all indicators give a consistent signal. This approach reduces the influence of noise and helps to avoid hasty decisions. If one of the indicators gives a premature signal, it is not a reason to act. It is necessary to wait until all elements of the analysis show the same direction. Only in case of full synchronization, one can count on confident development of the trend and stable results. That's a profit. Great. I made $552. I continue trading. I see the situation. Expiration time is 3 minutes. I open a buy trade for $1,000. The chart shows a steady and stable upward movement, and both indicators clearly confirm the upward direction. Everything indicates that the current market behavior is in my favor. I think it will bring good results. The chart shows how the stable upward dynamics is formed. Each new candle confidently breaks through the previous levels without serious pullbacks. Minimal corrections only confirm the strength of the current momentum. The general picture also speaks in favor of growth. The trend keeps its structure, and buying activity does not weaken. In such conditions, the market, as a rule, continues to move in a given direction, opening excellent prospects for income. The trade closes in plus. My balance on the broker Pocket Option becomes more by $920. Let's move on. Indicators give a signal to go up. Expiration time is 3 minutes. I open a buy trade for $2,000. Both indicators point to the continuation of the uptrend. I am determined to make a profit. A significant technical pattern has been formed on the price chart. After a sideways movement, a confident upward breakout movement has been recorded. This pattern indicates a significant strengthening of bullish sentiment in the market. The period of sideways movement in a narrow price range reflected the accumulation phase, which was followed by active realization of the buying potential. The formed upward impulse demonstrates a significant superiority of buyers, creating prerequisites for the continuation of growth. Such breakdowns after a sideways movement often become the beginning of new trend movements, which makes the current market situation especially important for technical analysis. Yes, alright, I'm making a profit. My balance has increased by $1,840 and is already equal to $3,968. The trading session went just great. This strategy proved its effectiveness again. I increased my balance from $370 to an impressive $3,968. If you have any questions about the methodology, or you want to understand all its nuances more deeply, be sure to write to me in Telegram. I'm always in touch, happy to help, and share all the necessary explanations. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, supporting it with a like, and subscribing to the channel. Your support motivates me to keep sharing useful information. Good luck to you and see you soon.